there, I'm Dylan from Anthum.ai, and I'm going to walk you through a quick workflow that you can use to start making your very own videos for submitting for our challenges. Everything that I used in this video is going to be totally free and accessible to you to use as well. Here's the video that I put together, and I'll show you step by step how I made it and how you can make something very similar.
I'm going to punch you in the neck, I swear!
2 sheep.
I'm going to steal your dog and eat it!
3 sheep.
Colonist.io. Rage bait your friends.
I think it's pretty funny, and it fits into the brief that Colonist.io gave on our website. Basically, what they say is, look at our Instagram, look at our Reels, see if you can make something that's like that could go viral. So I pulled out my phone and I scrolled through Reels until I found a format that I could basically do the same thing, but put a twist on it for Settler.io. What I saw on Reels was a viral video of a guy that was getting rage baited by a friend of his while they were playing a game, and I went, okay, that makes perfect sense, let me do that here. So I put together the very basic dialogue of a guy getting rage baited and a third guy laughing at them. I popped it right into Gemini, which, by the way, you can use Gemini. That's free. You can use ChatGPT. You can use Claude. There are a lot of free models out there that will just help you create the prompt for the video model. So at the end of the sentence here, you can see, turn that into a prompt for Sora video, where it's a cute animation of 3 people sitting around a table with a Catan board. Here's the prompt that it gave me, and I put this prompt into Sora, and Sora made the entire video, and I finished it off in CapCut. So I knew I wanted to do something like Colonist.io, rage bait your friends, but I didn't want to use my voice, so one thing I did was I went to 11 Labs. 11 Labs, on their homepage, they let you generate and download voices. So I wrote Colonist.io, chuckles, rage bait your friends.
Colonist.io.
So I downloaded that and stuck it right over here inside of CapCut. Then I added the Colonist.io logo, which you literally just drag and drop this stuff into this screen, and then you have access to it in the timeline. Colonist.io logo. I went to animation, and then I clicked the turbulence animation, and that's what makes it like jump around. For the text, all I did was I went to text and then text templates, and I clicked new, and I just grabbed this first one, stuck it in here, and changed the text to rage bait your friends. So the way it came together,
Colonist.io. Rage bait your friends.
that's all it is. Thinking to yourself, well, I don't have access to Sora. Well, now you do, because with Anthum.ai's challenge, the first 333 people that sign up will get 300 credits on Poyo.ai that has Sora 2, Google Veo 3, WAN 2.5. Basically, all the most up-to-date, the newest models are built into this software. So to achieve what I did there, all you'd really have to do is copy this, go into the video tab and click text to video, select Sora 2, and pop in the prompt. 12 seconds, hit create, and it'll just run, and eventually you'll get your video back here. I would really recommend using Poyo AI for most of the video stuff. It really is an amazing resource, and it has all the models built in, and you get free credits to begin with, so definitely try that out. Quick recap. Number 1, look at the brief that is available on Anthum.ai for whichever brand you want to make a video for, and understand what they're looking for. Number 2, get inspiration from their existing socials and scroll through what's currently going viral on your feed, what memes are popular right now, what your friends are talking about, and you're remixing, you're taking an existing concept that worked very well for one subject and twisting it into being relevant for your subject. That is the easiest way to come up with ideas for the videos. Then once you have that idea, write out that entire idea into ChatGPT or Grok or Gemini and ask it to make you a prompt for a video model based on that idea. Once you're happy with the video, or you're happy with maybe the first half of the video and you need multiple videos stitched together to make something that makes sense, then you pop it into CapCut, bring them together, use the presets that are already available for free inside of CapCut to make something that's pretty shareable. We have a long list of resources, free and paid, available on our website. If you ever think to yourself, oh, I don't know what to use for this, you can ask ChatGPT, Gemini, whichever one of these AI models, what's the best free thing to achieve this thing? And then finally, once you're happy with your video, submit it on Anthum.ai.